Welcome to the new district website. We're very excited about this change and hope you are as well. One of the things that is changing with our website is that it's now mobile device friendly. What that means is that when you're on your mobile device, you don't have to click that view desktop only version anymore. You just simply go to the website and have all of the same great information. The website is staying pretty similar to what it was before. You still have the tabs across the top here. Those haven't changed. You will still get the emergency notification across the top if there's a snow day or an emergency situation happening. It'll be that really big red banner. Still the same. One of the great things that is a little bit different is we've added some quick links. So you can quickly access our calendar, Infinite Campus, the staff directory, or you can search things on our website if you can't find what you're looking for. Scroll down a little ways here. Here's some more quick links for you. Keep on going down and a little bit different here. We have our upcoming events and our Facebook posts automatically post to our website. So those will be changing on a regular basis. If you want to see more of those Facebook posts, just keep going down and you can go ahead and click this Facebook link or the Twitter link. A little bit different now is our schools pages. If you go ahead and click on one of these, whichever school your child's a part of, we have these tabs across the top, similar to our homepage, but it is different than our last website we had. We also have these quick links here. Go down a little further and we have more quick links for you. Same thing as the district website. We do have the upcoming events and some announcements here. Each school page is pretty similar. There's a few things that are a little bit different, but the layout is the same, so you'll be able to get used to it without an issue. One of the things that I do want to point out is how to get back to our homepage. When you're on a school page like this, you can come down to the bottom and click District Homepage here, or head on up to the top, and here's this little house icon that says District Menu. If you click that, you can get back to our homepage. You can get to our district page, our board, schools, get back to a different school. Either way, you can get to where you need to go. So if we head back to the homepage, I want to show you this really neat page, this Contact Us. It's got all of our contact information for all of the schools and the district office, so you're able to give us a call in your child if they're not feeling too well one morning, or send us a fax if you have some medical forms that need to get to us. Either way, you're able to reach us and all of the same information is there for you. If you do get stuck with the district website, we are asking please stop in, give us a call here at the district office, send me an email at meyerb@ripon.k12.wi.us. We're here to help you with this transition. We want to make it as smooth as possible for you. We do hope that you really enjoy the website. I know I really like it, and I think you'll be able to get to know the website easily. Have a great day.